everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So tie the hairs on the sides and then rotate it. After rotating it, divide it into two parts. Now fix the threads on the hairs and fix the thread by making the plaits on each side of the hairs like this. Now tie them together at the end and fix the hairs. It will look like a heart shape and your hairstyle is almost ready. Tie the hairs on the side. First take a small section of the hairs on the sides. Now make the plaits on it by on the very small section like this. Fix it carefully till the end. After fixing the hairs at the end, we will join the hairs again by taking small section. Tie it and then make the plaits on it. Join the hairs together and fix it at the end. Now we will tie the plaits on each section of the hairs, fold it upward and fix it, and your hairstyle is ready. We will take the hairs on the sides and then make the plaits on it. So take the hairs from the sides in these small sections and join them. Fix it at the ends as shown in the video. Tie the hairs carefully as we are tying it. Join the hairs, fix them one by one as we are tying it. Take the hairs in the middle and fix it like this. So follow the same step for the other side of the hairs. Fix them in the same manner. Take the hairs till the end and make the plaits on it like this, and it's ready. Next, we'll be creating some more beautiful hairstyles. For that, you have to tie the ponytail on the sides and then divide it into two parts. Now roll them and fold them together like this as shown in the video. Fold it tightly. After that, we will fold it upward, roll it and fix it like this. Tie the hairs carefully as shown in the video. Fix it and your hairstyle will be ready. Don't forget to put the rubber bands on the top like this. Next, you have to make a ponytail on the back. For that, tie a high ponytail and take the rubber bands like this. Now fix it by folding it around the top of the hairs. Now we will divide the hairs into four parts and then make the plaits by joining them together like this. Fix the hairs carefully, join them like this. Tie the hairs as we are tying it. So it will look like the plaited hairs from all the sides. Fold them very carefully, watch it very carefully till the end and fix it at the ends, and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, you have to tie the hairs on the sides. So first take the hairs on the top like this in the small sections. Tie it as shown in the video. Roll it together. After rolling it, we will take another section of the hairs from the front and then join it like this. So take very small section of the hairs and tie them one by one as shown in the video. Fix it carefully as we are tying it. Take it till the end and join the hairs in the same manner till the end like this. Fix it and tie all the hairs as shown in the video. Fix it carefully as we are tying it. Join the hairs till the end and fix it carefully. Now follow the same step for the other side of the hairs. Now join the hairs at the back like this. After joining the hairs on the other section of the hairs, now fix it till the end. Make the plaits like this on the sides. Now take another section of the hairs and then fix it like this. Join all the hairs and make the plaits on it. Tie it on the top and then rotate it. After rotating the hairs, we will fix it out and tie the hairs properly using the rubber band, and your hairstyle is almost ready. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching our video.